Configuring your Linksys Smart Wi-Fi routers, EA6300, EA6400, or EA6700 is made easy using the Smart Setup. This video will guide you on how to set up your Linksys Smart Wi-Fi router using Smart Setup. Before we begin, let's start off with a checklist. First, make sure that you are using the new Linksys Smart Wi-Fi routers, EA6300, EA6400, or EA6700. Second, use any of these recommended browsers. Next, Smart Setup only works on selected versions of Windows and Mac operating systems. Check if your version of operating system is on the list. More importantly, you must have an active internet connection. Now we're ready to configure your Linksys Smart Wi-Fi router using the Smart Setup. Step 1. Connect your computer to the router's default wireless network name. The default SSID and wireless password are located on the Quick Start Guide and also printed on the label located at the bottom of the router. If you want to set up the router using a wired computer, connect it using an Ethernet cable. Step 2. Launch a web browser and enter linksyssmartwifi.com in the address bar, then press Enter. Step 3. Tick the checkbox beside I have read and accepted the license terms for using this software, then click Next to proceed. Step 4. The setup will now start to detect your internet connection. If you are not online, a page will appear stating your internet cable is not connected correctly. Follow the suggested troubleshooting steps to resolve your connection problem, then click Next. Once it detects an active internet connection, your router will check for updates. Step 5. In the Updates for your router page, you have the option to uncheck the Install Future Router Updates Automatically checkbox. Click Next to proceed. Step 6. If you want to change your wireless settings, enter your desired wireless network name, SSID, and wireless network password in the fields provided and click Next. Step 7. You will receive a message to reconnect to the new wireless SSID. If you are using a wired computer, just continue with the setup. For wireless computers, the setup will continue after connecting to the new SSID. If the page doesn't change or it was accidentally closed, just enter linksyssmartwifi.com on a web browser's address bar again or refresh the page. The Smart Setup will continue where it left off. Step 8. Enter your desired router password, then click Next. Congratulations! Your router is now successfully set up. The new Wi-Fi settings and router admin password will be displayed. Ensure that you write down the new settings in the fields provided on the Quick Start Guide for future reference. Click Next to complete the entire setup. The Create Your Linksys Smart Wi-Fi account page will appear. You may click Next to create a Linksys Smart Wi-Fi account, or tick the No Thanks checkbox to skip and open the router's interface instead. For more product updates and troubleshooting steps, check out our other videos.